Okay, y'all, come on in. It's me again. I'm cooking by moonlight. This is my little makeshift stove that my girl brought over for us. It's a little gas tank here on the side, and this is a little one burner. Got my big old skillet sitting on top. This little contraption here works. It's called gas on portable gas stove. It works. So if you ever have need one, go and get you a gas on. What I'm going to do now, I'm trying to cook up stuff out of my freezer. I am doing, it's right over there where you left it on that, right there, right here one. Anyway, I got olive oil in the pan. I got these oversized tater tots. My stuff is starting to thaw out in my freezer, so it'll keep better cooked than it will. So see how that fries up? No problem. And also, I got some hamburgers I'm going to cook. No light is not going to keep me from not cooking. Because I figure this food will keep better once it's cooked. We can preserve it better raw than thawed out and soggy. So these are yummy. And all I'm doing is just pouring olive oil, so you hear the rest of them. They're on the other side of the kitchen. We all in the kitchen. We have no lights, y'all. So we're making the best out of this situation. I'm going to put a little bit of complete sauce on there. Seasoning, rather. Put a little garlic powder on there to give them a little flavor. Cook them about 5 minutes. 5 minutes on each side is how long I cook these. And when I get done with those, I've got 8 hamburgers that I need to go ahead and cook. Because they've already eaten up. We've already had hot dogs and spaghetti, leftover spaghetti, and leftover chicken and rice from last night. So we're going to eat up all this food. Turn the heat up. I'm amazed at how well this one burner cooks. So if you're ever in the need of a skillet, a little pan thing that will cook like it will boil a pot of water in about 3 to 5 minutes. I'm serious. This little stove, let me show you. It's gas. See that burner? Works just like a burner on a real stove. You just have to do it one at a time. So I'm going to keep these going, and I'll be back and let y'all see them in just a second. Okay, y'all, got them tater tots ready. All golden brown. Remember, we're on a little portable stove. Now I got those burgers in the pan, so they're going to come out shortly. And we're going to be done. This is going to be a real short and sweet video. So just trying to get this food cooked up so it doesn't spoil. And I'm telling y'all, the name of this cooker is, let's see, Gas On Portable Gas Stove. Have no clue how much it costs, but I'm thinking it's worth whatever it costs because it's saving me from having to lose a lot of food tonight. So hold on, I'll be right back. Y'all listen up. This is what living in the dark will bring out. We ain't gonna let this. Where are you? Oh.
Turn around.
Come on, this is my house. I do what I want to do.
People and stare and smile at us when I'm with you.
I get back up here to the cooking. Okay, these burgers are about ready. There they are, y'all. Cooked on my little portable stove. That's it, y'all. I'm about done with these burgers. Oh, and I cooked a piece of salmon also. My children, they're going to have a good time. It don't matter what, the rain, the storm, the sleet, the snow. This is what we used to do when they were growing up.
Yeah, yes, I do. Yeah, yes, I do.
That's my piece of salmon and my tater tots. Just show y'all what we do. That's all. We're safe, sound, but now, and we're just making the best out of this storm. That's all you have to do. Is when you purpose to do and feel good about a thing, you can do just that. You don't have to let the storm get you down. So I encourage anybody that's going through this storm, just take a note from us and do what we do. We do what we do all the time. We've prayed about it, and now we're singing about it and enjoying each other and just getting through this storm because we got 2 or 3 more days of this probably with no lights. The hot water is all gone, but that's okay. We're going to take a bird bath in the morning. Again, y'all, I just encourage you all to stay positive, cook you some good food, sing you a good song, love on somebody. So I don't claim anything about that song except the people that are singing it. Those are my kids singing, but the songs themselves belong to other artists. I have no clue who, but this is the music that they grew up with. So anywho, y'all, we're done with these burgers. We're going to get over here and eat some of them, save some for tomorrow. And if we have any juice left in these cameras, we'll be back tomorrow. So until I cook again, I'm going to say toodaloo. Thank y'all for tuning in. Love you guys.